Please board the aircraft now to gate 16. All aboard.
I got chicken teriyaki. Ani sa'yo?
BMT. Lazy genius goes to Hong Kong. Okay. Let's go.
30 minutes.
Let's go. Welcome to Hong Kong.
Thank you.
Enjoy your trip in Hong Kong.
Yeah. Can I ask some questions?
Yes.
Okay. What's the best
Ayun,
food
nagmamarunong
that
na.
you can recommend here?
Fast food.
Yeah, best food. Any food from noodles to pork to beef.
Yeah.
Yeah, anything. What do you think is the best?
Katapat ng K11. Ayan, guys. May binibigay silang parang earpods para isaksak dito. So, maririnig nyo yung history ng mga itutour nila.
%masarap. 100% dito ang boleh siyang pinagili siya. Okay.
Okay.
First bite. Uy! 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 Isang buo! Good shit na. Na. Ako naman? Iba talaga. Puyat ka pag sa Pinas, pero pag nasa hotel na may breakfast buffet, biglang gumigising yung katawan mo. Breakfast, lunch, hotdog.
Ito yung outfit ko today. Ayan, simple lang kasi magna-night market mamaya.
Ito po kakainin namin today. Sum Dim Dim.
Yummy.
Tulo.
Ano yan? Yung spicy.
Sabi na tayo dito.
Xiaolongbao. Sige, taste mo na yung xiaolongbao.
Good.
Saan masarap? Ng xiaolongbao. Dito ako dun sa Din Tai Fung.
May uniqueness sila eh.
Yung lasa nila, no?
Wala, pero walang laman.
Spicy pork sauce. Ito, crispy rice flour with shrimp.
Isa pa. 1, 2, 3.
Oh my God.
Sakto susutin ko pa naman yung jeans.
today yung Disneyland tour namin. And we bought an umbrella. Galing lang yung 7-Eleven. So,
Init eh.
7-Eleven umbrella. So, dito na tayo. Kailangan natin pumunta dito.
Ayan, tas dito, early access. Oh.
證明入口，俾持有係做入園證嘅賓客優先入園。祝你有開心。Morning everyone and welcome to
Init.
Hong
It's super, super, super init. Kung isi-search natin,
It's 30 degrees.
mas mainit pa dito kaysa sa Cavite. Pero mamaya na tayo mag-ano. Kung makita nyo,
Mag-rides.
yan.
Mga tumatakbo ka eh. Nagtatakbuhan sila. Adi kayo na yung mauna mag-rides. Basta dito lang kami. Nagpapalamig kami. Ayun yung isa. Ang init kaya. Hindi ko kinakaya. Dito kami guys. Sa Starbucks. Nasa Starbucks kami nakiki-aircon.
Nag-order kami ng 2 horsepower.
Huwag ka na tumakbo.
Tara, 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 tara.
Ba't sila tumatakbo? Tanong mo, sabi mo grizzly.
Where's the grizzly?
Big grizzly.
Okay.
Turn left. Number 3.
Pag nag-skydive ka, di ba?
Videoan mo yan, no? Ha?
Sa lahat. Pati
Grabe.
yung extreme sa EK, pati yung space shuttle sa EK. Wala.
Ang simple lang niya tignan, pero grabe, ang lala. Hindi to pambata.
Di ka talaga mapapagod.
Tignan mo, guys, ang agad ka na. Grabe. So, itry nyo to, yung Big Grizzly Bear. Pagdating nyo ng Hong Kong, Disney. Ayun lang. Bye. Dito kami ngayon sa CR nakatambay, guys, kasi sobrang init. Ayan, nagpalit lang ako.
Sige lang, kahit matagal pa dito. Kahit pahabaw pila, okay lang.
Yeah, I was just looking for. Oh, there's the music box I told you about. I must find my little friend.
Wow!
Animin mo.
Oy.
Thank you.
Ngayon? Wow. Thank you.
Thank you.
So, ayan yung pila sa kabila. Kami lang nandito.
Wala kang Okay, meron na naman kami VIP.
dalawang beses na namin to nabili guys. Sobrang sarap and refreshing. Dito yan banda sa Toy Story. So naka-3K na kami dahil lang dito.
Worth it naman kasi kung makita niyo yung itsura namin.
On the way ulit kami sa Disney kasi may reservation kami for Explorer Restaurant Semi-Buffet na may kasama ng VIP access sa harap ng castle kung saan gaganapin yung mga parang fireworks. And ayan, nag-change outfit kami kasi grabe yung kanina.
Priority. Priority to lagi. Feeling priority.
Wanna build a snowman? Come on, let's go and play. Elsa wants to give us all some fun. She makes everyone a snowy summer day. 너는 이가차파의 왕상을 뺏지 마.
Wow!
Time to share what I can do to test the limits and break. No night, no road, no rules for me.
Here we go! Madami? Madami?
Just makes sense. Winters and good time to stay and cuddle before me and thunder and I'll be a happy snowman. Exactly.
So guys, we're now here at Vikings Buffet. Meron to para maging solo at maganda at ngayon kakain na kami dito sa buffet sa loob ng Disneyland. At 8,000 yung buffet na may kasama ng private, free of obstruction na momentous fireworks show privately on the front of the Disneyland Castle. We can fit any food na pala eh. Naghintay-hintay pa tayo.
So this is all we got sa buffet. And drinks.
Mayroong yung gusto mo, yung dinidip mo.
Sa'yo akong tumito.
Natanggalin mo. Okay. First bite. 1, 2, 3. So, ito ang aking food for the day. Mushroom lasagna. Ito naman, pain ni Bella. Yak lang.
Alin sa'yo?
Mushroom lasagna tapos Indian kebab bata. Sorry, kinuha na kita. Tigim lang. Okay.
Sarap. Sarap, ang sarap.
Agree.
Beef kebab.
Ayoko, may mustard eh. Gusto mo ba na mustard?
Ranch. Ito, lagyan mo na ito.
Okay. Pipita ko eh.
Sarap ng kebab mo.
and hurts. You'll be in my heart. No matter what they say, you'll be in my heart. Always.
Don't know why, but you're dying to try. You wanna kiss me, girl. Now.
Now when did you last let your heart decide a whole new world? A new fantastic point of view. No one to tell us no, or where to go, or say we're only dreaming. Time's always moving, we can't throw the hands. Won't last forever, so take every chance to learn to love and to dream and to dance. Just live the moment and love the memory. Live the moment and love the memory. Love the memory.
Parang nagkasot ko oh. Chill lang.
Yeah, para sa'yo yung ganyan. So, ito yung outfit natin today. Parang ganyan yung bojangles, pero mas better. Uy, grabe.
Grabe to. 3 pati.
Patingin. Uy. Uy, ang tagal. Sabi ko, tikman mo lang. Sarap na. Grabe, braso ko ngayon. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Times 8 eh.
Times 8. 7 or 8. Outfit for today.
So late kami. Kanina nahilo ka.
Konti. Yan. Yan. Closing ko ng konti para yan. Labos in Paris lang.
And yan siya. Picture. Titiis ganda kung makikita nyo. Di ko alam kung kita nyo dito. Pero yeah. Outfit check. Kakabili lang namin na ito kahapon sa Uniqlo. Sa Hong Kong. Ngayon ginamit ko na. Wala pang laba-laba.
Sobrang init. Sobrang init. Grabe. Hindi to spicy. Hindi mo kinuha spicy.
Hindi naman nagtanong eh. Kaya. Kumakain ako eh. Sarap na kain ko eh. Thank you. Steady lang yan.
Yung outfit natin today. Baby, patingin ang outfit mo. So, ayun yung outfit niya. Wow.
5th day.
Or stay 7 days.
Yes,
Yeah.
7 days.
Okay. So you mean that what you feel in Hong Kong boring? I think you should go Lan Kwai Fong tonight.
Where?
Friday, Lan Kwai Fong.
Lang Guai Fong?
Yes.
Like we're on just coming and drinks. Yes. Tonight is so many people there.
Lang Kwai Fong.
Yes. Because
It's like a bar?
Sinabi ni Bricks. Ito yun.
Oh,
bar
okay.
and club.
Ayun. Ito ang gusto ko mapanood kaso wala na sa Pilipinas eh. Ayan yun. Fly with the Moon. Friday, ito yung time.
Galing.
Mas marami pa silang movies dito. Basta malupit pa nun.
Yes, mapapanood mo. Di ba wala na yan? Tinanggal na agad nila.
Tinanggal nila sa Pilipinas. Ayaw nila eh. Pero marami pa dito eh. Ito yung gusto ko rin mapanood ngayon eh. Yes, I have a Guwapo ka sa personal ah.
Ang inang madilim lang eh.
Hinihintay lang yung table ko.
Hindi na. Iniwan lang kita.
Wow.
Park is...
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Shashay. So, in 20 ways to sell a product, I just did one thing and it got me. Dahil ito, limited lang eh. Limited lang yung network. Okay. Sige. In Hong Kong. Okay. So, we can rebook. Okay, thanks. Yeah.
So, update guys. Naka-avail na kami ng ticket for 6 p.m. So, we will arrive in Manila ng mga 7 or 8. Sayang yung ticket natin sa Philippine Airlines.
I know everything happens for a reason.
Yeah. Anyways, instead maging negative kami, gagala na lang kami.
Everything happens for a reason. Ang reason is,
Pan-fried buns.
nakakain ng pan-fried buns.
At
Baka
Five
yun talaga
Guys.
yun.